Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to unprivate your account on X. So open X application on your phone and you want to tap your profile picture in the top left corner of the screen. In this menu you have to scroll down to settings and privacy. As you can see, your settings are divided into different sections. You want to go to section that's called privacy and safety. Now from here find audience and tagging section, and at the very top of your screen you should see this option that is called protect your posts. This is the feature that is responsible for making your account private. As you can see, I have this feature on. That means that my profile now is private, and if I want to turn it off, if I want to make my account public, I want to disable this function. And basically I will unprivate my X account. That's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.